Hello, I'm Dennis K. McKay, and I welcome you to this series of videos I call SurveyorThink. Now, the purpose of this particular episode, which should be short, is to discuss the two different worlds that surveyors need to address in the line of their work. And of course, the first one is physical, and that has to do with like monuments and other kind of physical evidence that are documented in surveys. But the other one is conceptual and abstract and non-physical, and I'll explain. The surface of this monument has an infinite amount of mathematical points, and if they have no dimension, so they don't exactly exist physically. Now, if you come up with a definition of what you think the center of this monument is, then there's really only one point that meets that definition, and that point has no dimension, so it cannot be seen. And it is, what I would call a survey point. And now this monument would have a coordinate value, a geographic coordinate that is exact. And if you have the line between two different centers of two different monuments, then you'd be able to calculate the direction, the true direction and the true distance from the true coordinates. But the line itself has no width and doesn't exist physically. So we'll see how this is important when we're capturing surveying data into digital form into databases, and why it's important to make the distinction between physical and non-physical. So I will make this video short. I will just leave you with the kind of philosophical amusement that you have, as a surveyor or anybody else, has never seen a survey point. And nobody has seen a survey line, a boundary line, and nobody has actually seen the rights and responsibilities that go along with land ownership. So between these two worlds, there is a portal, and that portal is the survey monument. And I will leave it at that. I encourage you to watch more of this video as we tie these ideas together into a more complex discussion. I'm Dennis K. McKay, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.